I tested the top 3 file manager apps for Android in 2026 to see which one truly stands out, and after trying all the features, one clear winner surprised me the most. The number 3, we've got Astro File Manager and Cleaner, rated 4.2 stars with over 582K reviews and more than 50 million installs worldwide. Key features: this isn't just a file manager. It's a full storage control system. With its powerful file explorer, you can move, copy, rename, and organize everything from internal storage to SD card and even cloud drives in just a few taps. Running out of space? EDRB Repuki. The storage cleaner shows you exactly what's eating your storage and helps you delete unused apps, big files, and junk you didn't even know was there. Then there's the Storage Manager, where you can connect Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and more, all in one simple dashboard. And if privacy matters, the File Protector lets you lock personal files in a hidden vault using PIN, fingerprint, or even face unlock. That's why millions of users love it. It's fast, clean, ad-free, and gives you total control over your phone without any tech confusion. At number 2, we've got File Manager Plus, one of the most powerful Android file tools out right now. With a solid 4.6 out of 5 rating and over 100 million installs worldwide, this isn't just a basic file viewer, it's a full control center for your phone. You can open, search, copy, move, rename, delete, and organize files in seconds. It automatically sorts everything into categories like images, videos, audio, documents, and downloads, so you never waste time hunting for files again. Even better, it supports SD cards, USB OTG, cloud storage like Google Drive and Dropbox, and even remote NAS or FTP access. That means your files are always within reach, anywhere. Plus, it includes built-in tools like an image viewer, music player, text editor, and even archive support for zip and more. No extra apps needed. With over 1 million reviews, users love how fast, simple, and clean it feels. It even helps you analyze storage so you can delete junk files and free up space instantly. Number 1, we've got Files by Google, one of the most powerful and lightweight file manager apps on Android, with a solid 4.5-star rating and over 5 billion installs worldwide, backed by more than 8 million reviews. Key features: this isn't just a file manager, it's a full phone cleanup system. It instantly shows what's eating your storage and gives smart recommendations like deleting old memes, duplicate photos, junk files, and hidden cache you forgot even existed. Finding files? Super fast. You can search photos, videos, downloads, and documents in seconds, or just browse neatly organized folders without confusion. And sharing? It's insanely quick. With offline quick share, you can send apps, photos, and videos to nearby devices at speeds up to 480 Mbps. No internet needed, fully encrypted for privacy. You also get built-in cloud backup support, so you can move important files to Google Drive or SD card and free up space instantly. Plus, it's under 20 MB, completely ad-free, and still runs smoothly even on budget phones. People love it because it quietly does everything in the background: cleaning, organizing, protecting, and speeding up your phone without making things complicated. In my opinion, the best file manager app is Files by Google. What do you think? Comment below your favorite app.